In this video, I'm going to show you how to change dimension text size in AutoCAD so your drawings become clearer and easier to read. Start by selecting one of your dimensions to identify which dimension style is currently being used. Next, type D into the command line and press Enter to open the Dimension Style Manager. Inside the manager, select the active dimension style and click Modify to edit its settings. Once the modification window opens, navigate to the Text tab where all text-related options are located. Look for the text height setting and enter a new value that better matches the scale and readability requirements of your drawing. After adjusting the value, click OK and apply the changes to see the updated text size instantly. If the text still appears too large or too small, simply repeat the process and experiment with different values until it looks correct. Properly sized dimension text is extremely important because it improves presentation quality and ensures measurements remain easy to understand on printed drawings. Thanks for watching and happy drafting with AutoCAD.